Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Quant here, and as we can see, looking like it really hasn't done that much over the past few days. Really looking, it's very much just coiling to the side right now. In a little bit of a consolidation, you can see the past 3 or 4 days, we really haven't moved at all really on the price action. Looking like really overall here, you can see we've had that local range that we put in between the two Fibonacci levels we talked about a lot for the past few months. We've finally really got the breakout and the back test here, haven't we? And we've had a little bit of a bounce off the low, and now really looking like we are consolidating, heading sideways, waiting for that next move to the upside really. And now if we look on the hourly time frame, you can see this in a bit more granular detail. Realistically, we are just heading, we had this very, very nice move to the upside since the start of the new year, and then a little bit of consolidation, a little bit of retracement consolidation here, as you can see. If I just draw in a few of these resistances, you can see it's very, very nice. We've actually got a little bit of a breakout back test kind of thing going on, haven't we? Fairly simple stuff, where basically, you're coming down like this, you get the breakout, you come back down into this area here for a back test, and now looking like really we are chopping sideways and just waiting to see what happens next on the chart really. But you can see for Quant overall, it's done very, very well recently, to be honest, in the face of this bear market over the past year or so, where a lot of cryptos have just been rolling over continuously, losing loads of value on the chart. You can see here for Quant, really all what we've been doing is we've just been heading to the downside for a decent while, throughout the start of that bear market. But really when we got into June here, as you can see, we started to pick up off the lows in the face really of a lot of cryptos continuously just rolling to the downside. Bitcoin obviously was no exception to this rule, and a few other cryptos that we do look at were doing similar things, like Veracity and VeChain for example. We're just continuously rolling. Every single time they had a bounce, they would get shorted and the price would just continue down, 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 down. But really Quant, along with Polygon and maybe Ethereum also in this category, really started to have a decent bounce to the upside around that June time, didn't it? And you can see on our chart we've had all this marked out for a long, long time now. Got that 1, 2, 3, 4 nice little bullish pattern to the upside here. With the Fibonacci, you can see these Fibonacci levels getting fairly well respected. We had a very decent trend line that we were sitting on here, following to the upside, as you can see. But realistically, looking like we did, once we had that FTX collapse, obviously black swan event in the market, we did come down, lose that support, and then headed down to the $100 level, as we said before, numerous times. Consolidated between the 0.38 and the 0.50 Fibonacci levels here. Resistance, support, and then as you can see, we formed a little bit of a support trend line here now that I have drawn in. Looking like we've come to the upside, come back down. I've actually retested that area a little bit, maybe looking for another retest in this area before continuation. But really we're probably just going to be working the Fibonacci levels. I would say realistically, like most cryptos, we'll be looking to trade on these Fibonacci levels because they are very, very well respected in the most cases in crypto. So over the next few weeks, as you can see, I've already got my potential positions marked out. The 0.50, if we hit this again, I'll be looking for a long, and then once we head up towards that 618, which I think we probably will, I'll be looking to short in this area because I do think that we'll probably see a decent rejection in and around that kind of area over the next few weeks, maybe the next month, depending on how long it takes to get there. But I'd say realistically, overall, if you put things in simple terms, we've got a range here. We've just got the breakout of the 0.50 and the back test, and now really, in my opinion, we'll probably be heading up towards that 0.618 pretty soon, especially now that we've reset the RSI here. Obviously, we had a little bit of a bearish divergence in this area here. We did get that rollover consolidation back test of this key previous level, and now probably looking for a bit of continuation. So that would be my analysis for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and if you want to support the channel, please do sign up to joining for a membership on the channel on YouTube. It would really, really help us out. I think it's only $4.99 at the minute. I'm looking at basically fleshing all this out again now that we're getting back into the bull market. So if you want to support the channel, please do sign up as a member. We'd really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.